Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z. I help aspiring and newbie virtual assistants identify their key services and soulmate clients so they can start and grow their VA business. And in this channel, I share Upwork tips, social media hacks, virtual assistant tutorials, content management related topics, and everything remote work. So if this all sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. And if you've been with me since the beginning, thank you and welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. Hey everyone, welcome to this episode. Have you heard of content marketing? If your answer is yes, but still can't get a good understanding of this, then this episode is for you. Now, in this episode, we will learn what content marketing is and how you can sell this as your service. So, if you're excited to dig in, please smash that like button and let's get started. What is content marketing in the first place? Coming from the word itself, content marketing is all about using the power of content to market your service or product or whatever business you want to promote. Nope, it's not about directly selling through your content. It's about building your brand, building relationships with your audience, or simply put it, it's what helps you build authority in what you do so you can gain the trust of your audience to buy from you when you offer something. It's a strategy used to attract, engage, and keep an audience through content according to Google. Me, for example, I am a content creator and I share my journey, my experience, learnings, strategies about virtual assistants and freelancing through my YouTube videos. This way, I can also tell my audience, that includes you, that I know what I'm doing and you can trust me to help you in your VA journey. So that's what content marketing is all about in layman's terms. In the freelancing world, many businesses look for people who can help them in their content marketing efforts. That's why you can also make this as your primary service or offer. Now that you know what content marketing is, let me share with you the different types of content marketing. Yes, it does have variations, it does have different types. That includes blogs, videos like YouTube videos, Reels, TikToks, and then podcasts, infographics, email newsletters, social posts, ebooks, downloadable or lead magnets, webinars, pre recorded or live streams, and free courses. So if you feel like you're good in any of this type of content, then maybe, just maybe, content marketing is a service you can offer. And it may be a niche that you can actually focus on. Now that you have an idea of the different types of content marketing, let's now talk about the different content marketing channels. Of course, websites for blogs, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook for videos and social posts, Active Campaign, ConvertKit, and MailChimp for email newsletter and automation. And for free courses, it can be inside course platforms like Kajabi, Thinkific, or inside a Facebook group. You can make use of content marketing as your strategy to promote your own VA or freelancing business. It's best to do it for your business when you are starting out. That way, clients can trust you that you can do the same for them once you offer your services. Now, before we move on my last tip, let me know if you are getting value from this episode, if you are learning something from this, and if you do, please Drop the word gold in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. Also, this is to let you know that my group coaching program, the Get Hired Group Coaching Program, is still open for enrollees. So if you want close mentorship to help you in your virtual assistant or freelancing journey, then this program is for you. The link to the program will be in the description below. So I hope I'll see you inside. Now, going back to content marketing, the question is which content marketing type and platform should you start first? Well, easy. Start where you are most comfortable. If you're comfortable writing blogs, then do blogs. If you love video marketing, then make videos. If you enjoy writing captions, then write more captions for your social accounts. Now, when you already have built a good following and solid audience in a specific platform, you can then move or add another platform. Here's the thing, it's also possible to be everywhere without getting exhausted. Yup, secret ingredient, repurposing. My favorite thing to do. In case you haven't noticed yet, most influencers and big brands repurpose most of their content. That means they recycle older content and turn them into social posts, emails, webinars, etc. Now, what do I mean by this? What do I mean by recycling older content and turning them into other types of content? Well, let's say, for example, your main content marketing platform is YouTube. So, what you do is pull some key points from a YouTube video and turn them into an email newsletter and then to a social post. You may even choose to make blog posts from your YouTube video to expand your reach. That's it. You just have to tweak them a bit and they're good to go. One content, multiple platforms. That's repurposing. And that's the best way to maximize your content marketing efforts. So I hope you have somehow understood what content marketing is. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like and share this with your friends. Till next episode.